Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely delete any application from your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air running macOS Sequoia. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, click on the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, click on General from the sidebar. Now on the right side, click on Storage. Scroll down a bit until you see Applications, then click the little info icon next to it. Here, you'll see a list of all your installed apps. Just find the app you want to delete, select it, and click on the Delete button. A pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to delete the app. Just click Delete to confirm. If your Mac asks for your password, go ahead and enter it, then tap Done. And that's it. The app is completely removed from your Mac. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.